10 News Pinpoint Weather, sponsored by Mission Federal Credit Union.
Such great energy out there throughout the morning, too.
Yeah,
How
definitely.
fantastic.
I'm still laughing at Jim's comment.
That's a good
I like
strategy.
Dez's, too. Tequila on the race course.
Now, if I
this
had
one's
known
getting better and better.
that was part of it, then maybe I would have
Usually
signed
that's
up.
done, I would say usually. It happens with private homes that come out and they bring out the little tequila
the little
or whatever.
tray, and there you go.
Yeah, have a
Nice.
Community effort. I
Have a
like
tip.
it. Well, you know, we talked about one of our employees, Mark
There
Saunders.
he is.
He is our he's our web guru on the weekend.
See there, Mark
Yeah.
would marry anybody in that state.
But congratulations to Mark. He ran the half marathon. This is what we look like when we wake up in the morning, but good product placement as well. He has the website there. He also has our tip line. Congratulations to Mark and all of the runners out there this morning. And it is a beautiful day. Mission-based Skycam. We are finally starting to see some clearing from that cloud cover that we saw earlier this morning. Our current conditions here across the county: Ramona at 64, upper 60s there in Alpine. Along our coastline, Metro San Diego 66 degrees. La Jolla, you are currently at 62. It is a bit warmer compared to this time yesterday. Warmer, 5 degrees warmer in Julian, 5 degrees warmer in Mount Laguna as well. La Jolla, 3 degrees warmer compared to this time Saturday. Now, if you are heading out to the San Diego County Fair, again, lots of sunshine. Temperatures will be in the upper 60s by this afternoon, but keep in mind, with all that sun beating down on you, you definitely want to stay hydrated and, of course, put that sunblock on. Excessive heat warning begins at 11 o'clock this morning. This is for our deserts. That's going to last until Monday night. Triple-digit temperatures there. A lot cooler along our coastline, much more comfortable, warmer in our inland valleys, about 83 in Poway expected. 7-day forecast here. You're going to like the coast because we are going to be in the 70s over the next several days. 69 by Thursday. Warm in our inland spots. We're talking about the upper 80s today, mid 80s by Monday. Also warm in our mountains, near 90 degrees today, and just hot all around in the deserts. Triple digits there. 109 expected today. Jim, Mary.